what's the reaction that your guests have had when they've come here?
There's a wow factor.
Mm-hmm.
One of the things that's interesting is a lot of people book here
Mm-hmm.
during the daytime.
Yeah.
Come to do a tour or whatever else. They have no idea, other than having seen some pictures, what it's like at night. And the pictures don't even do it justice,
Mm-hmm.
because what happens is we'll start with a ceremony during the daytime,
Mm-hmm.
sun goes down and the lights are coming on. And then as people walk out here on the porch or other places and they look around, they're just like, wow,
Yeah.
beautiful. And one of the other things that I think actually, Sterling was very much a leader in LED lighting when it first came on. And that's really when we first got our lights, was 2017 timeframe. And any other lighting place we looked at had these hot, white, bright LEDs that completely took away the ambiance. They were so cold and so just ugly.
Yeah.
And you guys were one of the leaders at recognizing that the real beauty was the warmth of the lights, not how bright you could make them.
Yeah, the natural feel.
Yeah, it just made all the difference in the world.
Yeah.